Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Swagg with Rupali, and I'm Rupali, and in today's video I'll be recreating this look, and this look will be recreated by using makeup products that cost below ₹50. And this is a collab video with Rukhsar of Stay Style Shine, and she's a very nice and talented YouTuber. Do check out her video, do check out her channel and subscribe to her channel too, and the link will be provided in the description box below.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टे स्टाइल शाइन एंड आई एम रुखसार। आज मैंने ये मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया और ये अंडर ₹50 मेकअप प्रोडक्ट में मेकअप है। अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल है और आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
So today I have done the full face makeup with only ₹50 products. Though they cost only ₹50, but still they are not that bad. The qualities are not that bad. So if you want to know how I created this look and what products I used, stay tuned and watch the full video. Also follow me in my social media handles. The link will be provided in the description box below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell. So without further delay, just move on to the video. So first I am moisturizing and priming my face with Patanjali Soundarya Aloevera gel. This one acts as a very soothing and nice base, and since I have oily skin, this works wonder for me. And the price of this one is ₹50. So next for foundation, today I am using Blue Heaven Signature foundation in the shade Natural. This comes in only one shade though, and the price of this one is ₹65, but you can always get it at a discounted price, and I got mine for ₹50 from a local store. This foundation comes with an applicator like this, which is a good thing. I'm using this sponge today, and this cost only ₹20. I got it from a local store. This gives a sheer coverage, as you can see. Not that great, but not that bad either. Since I won't get any concealer at this price, I will use a little more of this product under my eyes and over my lids as a concealer. This is not giving me the desired coverage, obviously. So next for compact, I am using again from Blue Heaven. This also has only one shade available, and this is also priced at ₹65, but I got it for ₹50. It comes with a puff like this, and see, this is the product. This is giving me a little bit of brightening effect. For blush and eyeshadow, I am using this Blue Heaven blusher in the shade 6, and this costs only ₹25. So let's see. The thing is so small, and this comes with a small cute puff like this. So I will be applying it on my eyes with my finger. I must say this is quite pigmented. For my eyes today I am using Blue Heaven eyeliner and mascara. Each of them cost rupees 45. So let's see how it works. For my lower waterline I am using this pencil from Glam 21. This will cost you around 20 or 30 rupees. We can get it at any local shop. Now with the same blush I am applying it for my. Now it's quite pigmented, not a bad thing. For 25 rupees, not at all a bad thing. Next today I'll draw my lips with this liner from Mars. It's a pretty red color one. Since the color did not come out that great, I'm using this pencil again. So this costed me only rupees 24. Guys, one thing about this eyeliner is it's pretty good, but then you know, it takes a long time to get dried. So I know I cannot expect a lot from 50 rupees. I have to wait for like a long time to get it dry. So now let's start with mascara. This is a cute one, small one. Let's see how it works. It gives a bit of length to your eyelashes. Other than that, it does nothing. I'm using the same silver pencil to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, because obviously we cannot get any highlighter at this price. So that's it, I'm done with my makeup today, and if you like this look and my video, please do put a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed still, please do subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell so that you stay notified, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.